All right, guys, Daniel the Adjuster here, and hey, we got an interesting one for you guys to see, and I thought I would share with you. Look behind me here. We got this house, kind of a nice looking house, big area, big house. I don't know if you can see that, but big house, and certainly a really nice house here. So I don't know, I'm trying to get my camera here to focus instead of on me. Let's take a look. We'll get it around here and take a look at the house. All right, so big house, nice house, and what we've got up top, if you look up top here, guys, is we've got some siding that blew off way up there. We've also got some shutters. We've got one down here that's missing, two over here actually that's missing, and one over here that's missing. So big wind took off that fascia up there, as well as the shutters. But then while I was looking carefully, I started looking at shingles, and it looks like we may have a defective shingle on this roof. She said there was no roof damage, but I can guarantee there is if this is a defective shingle. So we're gonna get up there and take a look. All right, and as we get on the front here, you'll see it's kind of an awkward spot to get our ladder set up in here. So we're nestled in the woods, in all the bushes here in order to set up our ladder. Now we are going to use our Pitchhopper. So over here, I did bring this over here so that we could use it. And the reason being is this Pitchhopper is going to help us get off that roof, or get off that ladder, and then get on to that difficult roof there, because that's a step. You're getting it right onto a 12-12, and then we can use this wonderful tool called the Pitchhopper to get on that roof. So let's take a look. All right, so we're on top of the ladder here, and notice how the Pitchhopper sits on the roof. This is a 12-12 pitch. We're gonna be sneaking around that corner there, but this thing sits there, sits right snug on the roof, and we'll be able to get from this ladder and straight up onto that without any problems. Okay, so we got up here and see how that sits. Sits nicely down there at the bottom of that step, and then we come right up in here into the valley. Safety is first, no problem whatsoever. Hey, don't forget to look at your blue sky. You've got the moon up there too. All right, guys, fun. We're up on the roof now, and we can see we've got some damage down here from the metal. But check out what happened down here also is, as that metal was shifting around, it's actually damaged some shingles on that slope. So we got to put in for that repair as well, just as, even though the metal's damaged too. So yeah, so interesting shingle we have here. We have the what do you call it? The Defective 3-tab. This is a certaintied horizon, or anyway, so you can see the breakage granule loss here, and then when you lift the shingle, it's just flopping around. So we're going to be looking for stuff like that all over the roof, and we found quite a few of them where they were flopping around in the wind, took off the granules on top, and so we've got, I don't know, maybe, let's see, I got 14 on the front here. Down below there was 9. There were 9 down on this section down here. Only 1 in the back, it was just a nail pull. Just a nail pull in the back. Nothing tremendous, because that was kind of a 2 there on that slope over there. Yeah, and then you got to check your ridge shingles here too. These tend to be really loose. Look at that. That one is just flopping out. Not even attached. So we got to watch out for those, especially walking on those guys. That's kind of freaky too. So got to watch your safety on roofs like this. Make sure you check out your beautiful view. Sun's out. It's a little chilly, it's a little windy, but overall just a gorgeous blue sky day in North Carolina. A great day for a roof inspection. All right, well, sorry for the camera issues. I'm trying this this new camera. This is the Pocket 3, whatever you call it. Yeah, I think Pocket 3. It actually tracks really well for face, but when you go around and do other stuff like showing items around the house, it does kind of a crummy job. I got to speed up maybe the tracking. It's a little slow. But there's lots of settings and you can make it exactly what you want it to be. But hey, I wanted to talk about this roof here because originally thinking there was no wind damage on this roof because there's no shingles off can be a very misleading factor when inspecting these houses. This shingle, because it's special to North Carolina, is a defective product and there's no match. It's made to look like a laminate, but it's a 3-tab and they don't make it anymore. So we consider this a discontinued shingle, of which most insurance companies, if not all of them, will say, hey, we can't match it. We can't put the similar quality back up. It's not a laminate shingle, but it is a mock laminate lookalike. So we have to replace it with a laminate because that's what it looks like from the floor or from the ground. So it's kind of cool is that it's a 3-tab, but it is now recognized as a laminate, which then pushes your estimate up pretty high for replacing a laminate shingle. But yeah, so just keep that in mind when you're doing your inspections, is that, hey, metal could even cause damage to the roof. You could have multiple shingles on the roof where you can't even see that could be wind damaged. And typically on this type of shingle, it only takes a few on a slope for most carriers to say, yeah, we're gonna replace the whole roof. So, hey, super windy up here. And hey, pray for those people in the Philippines. Terrible, terrible 2 typhoons that came in right after another. Devastating losses, lots of death. It's terrible, terrible, but pray for them. We don't typically go down and handle hurricane stuff like that because insurance is pretty much non-existent in those areas. A lot of poverty, just people lost everything that didn't have anything to begin with. So yeah, just remember those people. It's really sad and tons of damage, but the government has declared the nation, that country, emergency, and so hopefully the government will come in and help them take care of some of those losses. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching Daniel the Adjuster and helping you to become the best adjuster.